Let's quickly analyze our information. Select the table, which then enables the quick analysis tool. So we click, and then the first one talks about formatting. And we can now format in conditional formatting. I'm going to add data bars. Let's go to charts. And we're going to click on the quick analysis, go to charts, and we can choose a cluster chart, further analyzing our information. Select our information, quick analysis, go to totals, and now we can choose sum on the bottom. Click on the quick analysis, and if I go back to totals, I can move in this direction and choose sum, and there we go. On the column, going to tables, I can select the information, quick analysis, go to tables, and I can analyze it as a table. I can even then filter that information. Sparklines, if I select my information, quick analysis, there we go, sparklines, I can choose a column or even a line. How awesome is this?